Hey everyone, welcome back! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to order from Temu using the cash on delivery card option. It's super simple and convenient if you prefer paying when your package arrives. First, open the Temu app or visit the Temu website. Browse through the store and add the items you want to your shopping cart. Make sure to double check the color size and quantity before you proceed. Once you're done shopping, go to your cart and review everything. If everything looks good, tap checkout. Now, you'll need to log into your Temu account if you haven't already. After that, enter your shipping information. Make sure your address and contact number are correct so the delivery goes smoothly. When you reach the payment method section, look for the cash on delivery option. Select it as your payment method. Keep in mind that card might not be available in every region or for all products, so if you don't see it, it could be restricted based on your location or the seller's settings. Once you've selected card, review your order summary, check your items, total amount, and shipping details one last time. Then tap place order or submit order to confirm your purchase. That's it! Your order is now placed and you'll pay in cash when your package arrives at your doorstep. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Temu tutorials.